Hi guys, this video is we're gonna play MN2. Wait, I'm just late guys, so don't worry. Okay, I say hi guys because it's late. So let's go. We're gonna vote a map guys. So I choose hotel. Okay, because hotel is a very big map. It has third floor. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, it started. What is the road? What the heck? Why I am always get innocent role? Just the boring. Let's go upstairs. Okay. Wait. I just hear a knife. Oh my god, let's stay here. Okay, it's fine. Okay, go. It's in second floor. So let's collect coins. Oops, yes, we're victory. So, what the heck? That little is laying on the floor. Oh, okay, the bacon versus the toxic one. Oh, the bacon. So, we're gonna vote. I vote house too. Okay, because it's a small map. Map. I didn't mean mouth. It's so funny. What? What did you say? What did you say? Oh, what the heck? Why I am always that innocent? Okay. Oops, the murderer. Let's hide here. Oh, what the heck? Get out of me. Okay. So, what the? He's the murderer. What the? I always died in MN2 when I am innocent. So guys, bye bye.